In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Bloxlink on Discord step by step so you can connect your Roblox community, verify members, and manage role bindings inside your server with ease. This is a super useful setup if you run a Roblox group, a gaming community, or a Discord server where you want members to verify properly and unlock the right roles automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to the Bloxlink website. Once the site loads, look for the sign in with Discord button in the top right corner and click it. You'll be asked to authorize your Discord account, so make sure you're signed into the correct Discord profile before you continue. After that, Bloxlink will take you into your dashboard. From here, you want to find and click Manage Servers. This section lets you choose which Discord server you want to connect Bloxlink to. If you manage multiple servers, make sure you pick the correct one so you don't apply the bot to the wrong community. Next, select the specific Discord server you want to add Bloxlink to. After selecting your server, Bloxlink will show you the permissions it needs in order to function properly. Take a moment to review those permissions carefully. These permissions are important because they allow Bloxlink to verify users, assign roles, and handle the setup process inside your server. Once you're ready, click Authorize. If Discord asks you to complete a CAPTCHA, go ahead and finish that verification so the bot can be added successfully. After the bot is added to your server, the next step is to begin configuring it. Open your Discord server and type /setup in the chat. This command starts the Bloxlink setup process. From there, you can begin configuring role bindings and member verification so your server can automatically handle Roblox-related access the way you want it to. This is where Bloxlink becomes really powerful because it helps automate the process of matching Discord members with the correct Roblox roles and verification settings. If you're setting this up for the first time, take your time and go through each option carefully so everything is matched correctly. Once your setup is complete, your server will be ready to use Bloxlink for verification and role management. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up Bloxlink on Discord from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Discord setup guides in the future.